If you love French toast, then you should definitely try this recipe out. The ingredients are eggs, bread, margarine, brawns, and cheese. Step 1. Butter your bread. Then season your eggs to your liking. In a pan with hot oil, pour in your eggs. Place one slice of the bread in the egg and flip it immediately. This is to coat your bread well. Then do the same with the other slice. Let the eggs set and flip the combo. Turn the sides, place your toppings. It could basically be anything that you like. It could be peppers, it could be sauteed onions. Flip your bread and ensure you cook your bread to your liking. If you like yours crunchy, then it will stay in the pan a little longer. Once ready, serve it. It's best served hot. Enjoy!